Welcome to another episode of Patently Clear with Graham Archer. So in this episode we're talking about something that probably most inventors don't think about until they're really in the middle of the patent process, which is the type of patent application you're filing and why it matters.
Yeah, this is an area that's not talked about much, but it's vitally important if you're thinking about filing a patent application.
So aren't all patents kind of basically the same?
Well, yeah, in principle, every patent protects an invention, but in practice, the protection and the value they offer can vary a lot. That means the investment you should make in time and money and effort should also vary.
Okay, so is there some way you could kind of categorize them?
Yeah, I like to put patents into three groups. You have Cornerstone patents, so these are the rare and game-changing ones. Standard patents, solid R&D-driven improvements, and then financially based patents. Patents filed with business and investment goals in mind.
Okay, so let's start with the big one, the Cornerstone patents.
Yeah, so these are extremely rare. They usually require a significant leap forward over the prior art. Think of the first Dyson patent for the cyclone dust separation vacuum cleaner. It revolutionized the industry and became the foundation of that business for years.
So I'm assuming that the protection's worth more in that case.
Exactly, yeah. If you have a cornerstone invention, the patent protection can be hugely valuable. That means it's worth investing heavily to secure the right protection in the right territories.
And then standard patents?
Yeah, these are much more common. They often come from companies that already have products and are doing R&D to improve them. Those companies don't want competitors copying their improvements, so they file patent applications. Within a company's portfolio, these inventions can vary in value, so the budget for each patent application also varies.
Okay, and then what about the financially based ones?
Here, the patent is still protecting an innovation, but the main driver is financial. For example, startups often want an IP portfolio to attract investors. And then in the UK, there's also a tax incentive, patent box tax relief, which reduces the corporation tax on profits from patented products. That means even a narrow patent can be worth getting for the financial benefits.
Okay, so really the filing strategy depends on the type of patent you're going for.
Exactly, yeah. Cornerstone patents deserve significant investment. Financially based patents should generally require less. Standard patents sit somewhere in the middle. And here's the twist. When we file, we don't want to make it obvious which type it is we're going for. You can even change strategy mid-process if it turns out the protection that you're going to get isn't as broad as you first thought.
Okay, so not all patents are created equal, and really knowing what type you're going for can either save you a lot of money or justify spending more money.
Exactly. The key is matching your investment to the likely value of the protection you're going to get.
Okay, thanks, Graham.